How you doing? So back with another what I call a midweek easy pasta. Today we've got mushroom, broccoli, tomatoes, garlic and cream. Lovely. Easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some mushrooms there, fresh mushrooms. There's 250 grams there. That's like kind of one of those plastic punnet type things they come in. Slice them up. 2 cups of broccoli. 1 can of tomatoes. That was a whole plum tomato. I've crushed that up roughly with my hand. When I say a regular size can, I mean a 400 ml, you know, that one. Okay, 2 teaspoons of oregano, dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup there of cream. I'm using thick cream. It makes no difference if you use thick or thin. It will work out exactly the same. 1 cup of onion, and then I've got some black olives. I don't know, 5 or 6 black olives, taking the stones out. Let's get moving. So in there I've got 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a olive oil. Use something different if you want. 1 cup of the onion goes straight in, as does the garlic, tablespoon of chopped garlic. And I'm going to get those olives in now to get them moving. We're on a slightly above medium heat and we're going to go for about 3 minutes. Now, you need to get your pasta cooked. I'm not going to talk about pasta very much. I'm using 4 cups in total of a fusilli pasta. You can use any type of pasta that you want, but yeah, get that ready and give this a stir every now and then. So of course the olives are optional, and if you're interested, these are a Kalamata type of olive. I love them. We're going to go with our broccoli. In that goes. You can see I'll kind of cut it into small kind of bite-sized pieces. We're now going to add salt and black pepper, and we're going to let this go for another 3 minutes. Super fab. Here we go with the mushrooms. 250 grams. It's like 3 cups, but they're going to cook right down. We may even get a little bit of moisture from them. Be back again in about 3 minutes. Keep it moving, this one. So you can see that the mushrooms have reduced down, and you can hear that they're giving out some moisture. We're now going to go in with that 2 teaspoons of oregano, or oregano, as my American friends call it. And then 1 can of tomatoes. Okay, little mix. Now we're going to go for another 4 minutes, giving it a stir every now and then. Really super. Okay, 1 cup of cream. Like I said, I'm using thick or thin. It's all going to work out exactly the same. Don't worry about which one you use. And I didn't show you this earlier, but I've got a tablespoon here of some fresh Parmesan. I'm going to give that a mix just for 2 minutes, then I'll be back. Keep it moving all the time. That's lovely, really nice and creamy now. We've got the garlic in there. Beautiful vegetables. It's pasta time. So here, I'm going to go in with my pasta. I'm using fusilli. I'm going to give that a little mix in there for about 2 minutes, ready to serve. Okay, and there you go, job done, nice and easy, nice quick, which I always call a midweek sort of pasta thing. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. Please do give me a thumbs up. Do leave a comment. I do like to hear from you. And press the subscribe bell thing or whatever it is. Anyway, that's it. Lots of love.